Okay, question 10. Find the first four terms in the ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 1 plus ax to the power of 10, where a is a non-zero constant. Keep each term in its simplest form. Keep that in this expansion the coefficient of x cubed is double. Coefficient of x cubed is double of the coefficient of x squared. Find the value of a. Okay, find the value of a. So we expand first four terms only in the ascending powers of x. Okay, so ascending powers of x, you have 10. So I'll do 10c0, 1 to the power of 10a x to the power of 0 plus 10c1, 1 to the power of 9, and then ax to the power of 1. Okay, ascending. So 10c2, 1 to the power of 8, ax to the power of 2, and finally 10c3, okay, 1 to the power of 7 times ax to the power of 3. Okay, this is calculator work. So 10c0 is 1. Okay, 1 to the power of 10 is 1. Ax to the power of 0 is also 1. Okay, so that's done. Next, 10c1. Let's find that. It should be 10. Okay, and then times by 1 to the power of 0. So that's 10 ax. Okay, plus next 10c2, 2, and then times 1 to the power of 8, so that gives me 45. A, that's square, so square, x also square, so remember a square and x square. Okay, third term, and the fourth term is 10c3, so that's 120 a cube x cube. Okay, a cube and x cube. So that's your first four terms in the expansion. Okay, that's A. And for B, given that in the expansion the coefficient of x cube is double the coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x cube, okay, is double the coefficient of x squared. So therefore you just take the coefficient. Okay, you don't worry about the x cube. So coefficient of x cube, so a to 120 a cube is double of coefficient of x squared, so 2 times by 45 a square. This is what it meant. So 2 times by 45 is 90 a square equals to 120 a cube. Okay, so if I bring that over, so you have 120 a cube minus 90 a square equals 0. I can take out a square, that's 0, so a equals 0. But the question here, it says where a is non-zero constant, so I can't use 0, so therefore it should be so let's take out a square. 120a minus 90 equals 0, so a already done, so I'll cancel that. So 120a minus 90 equals 0, so 120a equals to 90, therefore a equals to 90 over 120, which is 3 over 4. Okay, that's your answer.